Hello. Today I'm going to show you where you can find the OBD2 spot and the dock for your OBD2 scanner on a Volkswagen Tiguan. Open the car at the driver's side, go where the pedals are resting, and then you can see under it, you can see the port for your OBD2 scanner. There it is. It is purple and it is ready to use. Now let's get our cable of our OBD2 scanner and dip the plug into the port. Choose the right side of the plug and then the electronic is on, as you can see. Now have a seat, close your doors, and of course you have to get on the ignition. You don't have to get on the car itself. The engine do not have to run. It's only important to get the ignition on. Then you can go into the computer system inside your Volkswagen Tiguan and you can have some failure information or OBD2 diagnostic informations as well. You should have a look for the failure codes and erase them if the failure is gone because you found a solution for it. For example, you can reset the service interval too. You can get your parking brake system into a clear system setup to replace your brakes, for example, and so many other different things you can do with this OBD2 scanner and of course with your OBD2 port on your Volkswagen Tiguan. If you finish your work, go to the main menu, go exit, and then unplug your device, and then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.